Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are back again with yet another review video. This time we have brought a smartwatch from you from the brand of Noise. So this time we have the Noise Impact Smartwatch. This is a newly launched smartwatch. So we will go ahead and unbox this product. We will see what are the things that we are getting with this product, and along with that we will also review the product. I will share my verdict whether you should go with this product or not. Mind you guys, because this is a new product, the price, you have an introductory price at which this has been sold. You will get this product at Flipkart. I have also got it from Flipkart, even though you can buy this product from the official website of Noise as well. And let us quickly go ahead and unbox this product. And before we unbox, I hope you have subscribed to our channel, guys. If not, please pause the video, subscribe to our channel Let's Review with Krish, and hit the bell icon so that whenever we upload a video you get notified. Let's unbox this product, guys. This is a normal packaging, guys. You have the key features mentioned on both the sides. The product MRP is mentioned over here. So yeah, let us quickly unbox and see what else we are getting. Okay. Fine, the watch came out from this, no problem. Okay guys, so this is how the watch looks like. The first thing, the strap. The quality of the strap is good. The first look, guys, let me tell you what I can see. This is looking like an Apple Watch 6, or it's exactly looking like an Apple Watch, I'll tell you. The strap design over here, the curve, the notch, the crown notch over here, it's totally looking like an Apple Watch. This is the watch, guys. Let us keep this aside. What else have we got? So we have got a normal charger, and here are some of the the Noise stickers. You can use it somewhere if you want. A grateful and a warranty card we are getting over here, and this is some literature, guys, the same literature which we get over here. I don't know why do they waste this paper. They can just put a QR code so people can scan and learn it. If you ask me what is my verdict, will I recommend you to go for this watch? I will say yes, guys, you can go for this watch, especially at this price. If you apply some discounts, if you're buying it for the first time from Noise, we'll get another 200-300 discount. So around the range of 1500 to 1800, this is a must buy watch from Noise. So with that, we come to the end of this video, guys. So I hope by now you have got an idea about how this product is performing. So if you ask me, I would say yes, you can go for this product. So here are my ratings, guys. So is it a value for money product? Out of 5, I would give it a 4. If you ask me, is it a product that in terms of performance, how much would I give? I would again give it a 4. And in terms of the build quality and everything, I will give it a 4 as well. So yes, you can go for this product, guys. Company has also provided 1 year of brand warranty as well. You will be able to purchase this strap and other straps from their official Noise website as well. So I hope, guys, you have liked the video, and with that we come to the end of today's video. And if you have liked the video, hit the like button, comment below, share your feedbacks and suggestions, guys. Share the videos with your friends and family members, and for people who are watching our videos who have not subscribed yet, do subscribe to our channel, because it helps us to get motivated. It's completely free for you people, but for us it means a lot. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon over here so that you get notified about the same. And there are other 2 smartwatches as well, guys, which we have reviewed in our channel. I will put the link over somewhere over here in the I button. You can click over here and you can also watch the review videos for the other smartwatches from different brands we have reviewed. So thank you, guys. Stay tuned to our channel for more products and reviews like this. Thank you.